Hey guys, welcome back to Cajun Cooking TV, and today we will be showing y'all how to cook the classic beignets the easy way.
And we're also going to make a strawberry jelly filling so we can have some stuffed beignets. Yum!
Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to put on that post notification bell.
All right.
So first we are going to put a pint of strawberries in the blender. Now it's all blended up, and we are going to open it up.
I'll take it. And you're going to put it in here.
We're going to put it in this bowl.
Okay, so I have our little burner here and a heavy bottom saucepan so that we can make the filling. And I have it heating up to a medium heat. And the first thing I'm going to do is put in 1 tablespoon of pectin. And this is going to help it to not only provide a little sugar, but also to make that jelly consistency. So this is, comes in a box, sure gel. So we're going to put that in, and I'll let you get one of those whisk, and you can stir that up. And when it starts to boil, we're going to toss in the sugar and then just let it boil some more till it thickens up. Okay, I've been letting this get to a rolling boil here and stirring it, pretty consistently so it doesn't stick. And now Addison's going to add in 1 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar. And I'll stir that in. Dump it, girl.
Next, I'm going to put some cornstarch.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Good job. That's okay.
I'm going to put some in here.
Yep. Put
it
in.
will come out.
And this is what helps thicken it up. Okay, we've been boiling for about 10 minutes. And I want to show you what I was looking for. I got a little spoon here. And I let it sit here for a minute, but whenever I did it, it cooled. And when it cools, it's going to be thick, like a jelly. And this is still very hot. So when it does cool, it won't fall off the spoon because I've been testing it. As you can see, this mess going on right here. But it tastes awesome. So what I'll do is I'm going to put this in a glass container and let it fully cool so that we'll have the filling whenever we make some beignets.
Yummy.
Yummy. All right. We'll be back in a minute.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
It's time to make beignets the easy way. We could make dough with yeast and knead it and mix it in the mixer and all that
too
stuff.
much work.
But on a Sunday morning when you want some beignets, that is just beyond my abilities, right?
Yes.
Yes. So we figured out how to make them with a pack of Grands Homestyle biscuits.
Want to crack it open?
Well, first, let me talk about it.
That was an accident.
All right. So the Pillsbury Grands Biscuits, Sunday we made it with 5. So Mr. Mike Stokes went to the store and got us the big 8 biscuits so we could all have some because this one ate them all. I had 4.
And I had 8.
I think you had 16 out of 20.
They were good.
Where do you even open this thing?
You crack it open.
Well, you have to take the paper off first. Start here. Read directions.
I don't read directions.
I know you don't.
Ready?
Okay. So Addison's going to take out our biscuits. We have a little pastry mat here, one of my cutting mats, with some flour, and she's going to put the biscuits on the flour sometime today. There you go.
There's more in there.
One more. Got it.
Do
So just get a little bit of flour on both sides. And then you're going to either you can flatten them out with your hand, which is what I was doing the other day, or you can use your roller pin. So let's get them as flat as we can. And then we're going to cut them into 4 pieces. And they make cute little round, little triangles. Now what you think you need to do with them?
cut them.
Cut them.
Which one are we using?
Let's use the green knife. So you're just going to,
So cut them into fourths?
yep, cut them like a pizza into 4, no. How do you cut a pizza?
We're making triangles. Okay. I knew that.
So that's fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Right. I know what fourths are. So, we've got them all cut into fourths, and we're going to put them in this boiling pot. You go
Of
first.
oil. Boiling vat of oil.
Whatever.
So I carefully do it, unlike this one. So I just kind of put it on the side and let it fall in. Yay!
I did it carefully.
Yay! We had oil popping everywhere the other day.
Gotta try new ways.
Okay.
That's enough, yeah.
Yeah, about 5.
And we're just gonna wait until we can see that the other side, the bottom that's on the oil, is brown, golden,
Yep.
golden brown.
You can see it kind of come up the side, and that's when it's ready to flip.
Kind of like this. So right here we have our powdered sugar, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some on the beignets that are done.
Because you want to do it kind of when they're hot, because it helps it stick. Here in Baton Rouge, we have a beignet shop. It's called Coffee
Coffee
Call?
Call, yeah.
Coffee Call. And in New Orleans, of course, is the famous Cafe du Monde. So sometimes on Sundays, we like to get up, get in the car real early, and go over to Coffee Call for beignets and hot chocolate.
Yummy.
Yummy.
I'm gonna do a little taste test.
How is it?
Good.
Awesome. So in our next steps, we have our filling that's chilled, and I have a little pastry bag with the plain tip attached to it. So we fold it down inside of a glass to help us fill it. So just fill it about halfway. And then you pull that back up and twist it tight. You can put on a clip or some sort of twist tie. And here we want to put a hole in our little donuts with a wooden skewer. And then you just put that piping down into the donut and squeeze to fill it up. OMG, it is so good. I just love it filled. It's not traditional, but it sure is tasty. If you like more of these videos, please be sure to subscribe and press that bell notification. And we always appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you so much.
It's a wrap.